Hello everyone. Today we are repairing a charger for a screwdriver called Vikhr. I was given the charger and battery to check. As the customer said, the battery is not charging. Let's check. First of all, I want to see if there is voltage at the output of the power supply. This way I will find out where the problem is, in the power supply or in the charging box itself. The output shows 1 volt, and now let's see what is written on the power supply. On our power supply it is written that it should be 14.4 volts. It turns out that our problem is in the power supply. You can immediately buy a new power supply, or you can try to repair it. First, I will try to repair it. The power supply is glued and can only be disassembled by cutting the case. I will do this with a Dremel. I managed to disassemble, and we see here a transformer as well as a diode bridge and a smoothing capacitor. It looks like one of the 3 elements is out of order. Let's figure out what is not working. First of all, I want to measure the voltage at the transformer output. Now I will take measurements, and we should have about 15 volts at the output. The multimeter shows 0. Perhaps I will unsolder the board. Perhaps it affects the readings. There is no voltage at the transformer output. Now I want to understand which winding burned out, the primary or the secondary. The primary winding that goes to the transformer burned out. Unfortunately, the power supply can no longer be restored. You just need to rewind the transformer. But I unfortunately do not know how to do this, and it hardly makes sense. Because such power supplies are not expensive. You just need to find the same, only a pulse power supply with the same voltage characteristics. I ordered and already installed a new power supply, and now the charger charges the screwdriver battery. That's all. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.